Why Croatia? Why? It's 6 a.m. It's so early. Every morning, like, don't get me wrong. This is charming. It's 6 a.m. Croatian coffee. It's taking a little time to get used to this, but I'm down now. Today's video is going to be a rant. I'm actually really upset. I've been in discussions with Facebook for a week now because I keep taking down one of my videos. It's a breast massage video. It is the most important video I've created so far. And I think all couples should learn and know how to give a really good breast massage. Now, what's infuriating me is that in the video, it's all contextual. I don't massage anyone's breasts. There is no nudity. The image, there's no nudity in that as well. It's all about like just giving you concepts of how to massage breasts. Now, if you have my masterclass, you have the techniques to massage breasts. And then just add the breast massage video and bang, you've got the most amazing breast massage routine. But because the video's got the word breast in it, it won't be accepted. Like, Facebook keeps taking it down. I just don't know how we got here. It's just, like, we've got to this stage where we're so politically correct that we can't even say the word breast on Facebook. And it's not even Facebook's fault. It's our fault that we let this happen, that we've created a culture that it's taboo to talk about things like breast massage, when it shouldn't be. The body is an art form. It is beautiful. Men, women, different shapes, sizes, colors. It's all amazing and beautiful, you know. I spent 3 months in America this year, in the earliest part of the year, and it's the first time that it really hit me how politically correct we are and how offended we are by everything that's said. Even if you say things that are fine, but put it in a context or it's read differently or wrong, people are just upset all the time. It's crazy. But then I come here to Europe and I see this billboard of a full frontal nude woman. I don't know what they were advertising, but no one bat an eyelid. You know, I sat there and smiled and looked at it and this is just beautiful to look at. And no one even cared that it was there. But it was there, and I love that. I love that parts of the world we can still celebrate the body and find it beautiful and not sexualize it, which is exactly what my video was about. And I even say it in the video. I don't want to sexualize massage because that's not what my role is. You can at home. You can. But the way I teach, I don't want to show you breasts and teach on someone's breasts. But I can talk about it and I can guide you through it. You know, when I was studying massage 20 years ago, we actually covered breast massage in class. And one of my friends volunteered to go up and she took her top off and the teacher, the instructor, he massaged her breasts and we all got to watch it and understand it. It was all very clinical and it was just beautiful. It was fine. No one sexualized it. Like, it was the attitude that we had as a class that was amazing. And even afterwards, my best friend, I said to her, I'm like, I don't need to massage your breasts. You can massage my chest. She's like, absolutely not. You should massage. You should learn how to do this. You should know how to do it properly. Now, the reason why this video is so important is because it literally saves lives. I know you might be sitting there thinking, really, why, how? But it does. Like, prevention is better than cure. And just going once a year to your mammogram checkup, I don't think is enough. Like, what if you miss something? But if you're massaging each other on a regular basis and you're massaging your partner's chest, the more you do it, the better you get to know your partner's breasts And the quicker you'll be able to identify whether something is a lump or an inconsistency in breast tissue. And that's where you go to the doctor and say, hey, I think I've found something. And that's why this video is so important, because this literally does save lives. It happens at home, you guys. This is really important. So yeah, it saddens me that we, as a human species, have allowed media companies like Facebook to get so politically correct that we can't deliver content that is useful and important to the everyday couple, such as breast massage. So, guys, let's take the power back. You have control of your own lives. Massage each other's chest. It's fun, it's playful, and it's really important. The more you do it, the better you get at it, the better it feels, and the quicker you'll be able to find out whether something is an inconsistency in breast tissue. There you go. Rant over. Take the power back, people. It's in your hands. Go ahead, watch that breast massage video, and get playing. I'll see you in the next episode.